Hi, I'm Sawyer with the product team at Jarvis Lighting, and I'm here to show you how to upgrade your legacy strip fixtures to energy-efficient LEDs with our SRK-N control-ready linear strip retrofit. The SRK is designed to fit seamlessly into standard strip retrofits for quick, hassle-free installation. This retrofit kit mounts directly into the existing fixture housing, reducing waste and eliminating the need for repainting the ceiling. It's available in a 4-foot and at an 8-foot strip, and features adjustable wattage and color temperature selector switches right here. This dimmable LED fixture is DLC listed and sensor ready, making it fast and easy to modernize your fluorescent or HID strip lights with advanced Luminaire Level Lighting Controls, as seen right here. To retrofit the SRK-N into a legacy strip fixture, first remove the lamps, ballast cover, sockets, and ballast from the existing fixture. Once these components are removed, the housing will remain to accommodate the SRK-N retrofit. Secure the SRK in place using the provided safety cables. Then, make your electrical connections within the existing legacy lamp body. Finally, align the SRK-N flush against the lamp body and lock it into place using the 4 adjustable brackets seen here on the side of the fixture. These adjustable brackets make the SRK-N adaptable to strip fixture housings 4 1/4 up to 5 1/4 inch wide. The 4-foot solution consists of one single 4-foot strip, while the 8-foot solution contains 2 4-foot strips that can be connected in seconds via a quick connect cable like this. It makes it both easy to transport and easy to install. The SRK-N features a Z10 sensor receptacle for easy integration with Luminaire Level Lighting Controls. To install a Z10 control device, simply remove the cover cap by twisting to the left, line up the device, push it into the receptacle, and then twist it to the right to lock it back into place. Just like that, your legacy strip fixture is now an energy-efficient LED capable of advanced Luminaire Level Lighting Controls. The wattage and color temperature of the SRK-N can be easily adjusted prior to installation using the selector switches located next to the driver on the back of the fixture, as seen right here. The 4-foot fixture can be set to 18, 25, 30, or 40 watts, and the 8-foot fixture can be set to 46, 60, 70, or 80 watts. The color temperature can be set to 3500, 4000, or 5000 K. Now you know how to take your old fluorescent lighting to the next level with Jarvis Lighting's SRK-N LED linear strip light. If you want to learn more about Jarvis Lighting and the wide variety of LED lighting solutions that we offer, check out the other videos on our channel or visit jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.